On behalf of ExpertVillage, this is Paul Lewis, and today I'm going to give you some basic iClone Machinima filmmaking tips and techniques. Okay. Now, what I want to do with this character now is explain the principle of the close-up. Now, you notice there's a space here. He's looking to his right as if she's on the opposite side of the room. So you want to leave a space there and have him look in the direction of the person that he's speaking to. And when you combine this with the other close-ups and other scenes, it will all make sense. A lot of times people, when they use iClone, they don't take the initiative to use close-ups. Now, I could save this as an AVI file, and let's say I don't really know what the dialogue is at this moment. It's probably like, I think I know what's wrong. So I'll call this file, I think I know what's wrong. And I'll click on Save. And it's going to mix the WAV file. It's going to ask me full frames uncompressed. Yes, you want to select that. I don't select it because I have something called Matrox that I use, so I click on that. But I would suggest to use the full frames uncompressed, and you'll. So it's rendering about 6 of 391 images at this moment. After it's done rendering, it'll play it back in your media player, and you'll have that AVI file for later on when you're editing in your video editing program. So let me cancel that for now. I'm not going to save it, but you will. All right.